Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're checking out Brewista's Smart Pour Variable Temperature Kettle. This is a great choice for a kettle to suit the home or cafe for brewing coffee, and it also makes an excellent kettle for brewing tea as well. The Brewista kettle is a full stainless steel kettle inside and out with BPA-free plastics used on the lid and the base, and there is a polyresin easy grip handle. Now the kettle has a generous 1.2 litre capacity and it operates off 1500 watts of power. And the shape to the spout, known as a gooseneck, assists in slowing down and controlling the flow of water whilst brewing. It makes the Brewista kettle an ideal choice for pour over style coffee brewing, but it would also suit any tea or coffee brewing styles really. Once turned on, the LCD display is well lit to display the current temperature of your water. And it has a good range of temperature settings you can set your brewing water to, from 60 degrees Celsius all the way up to 100 degrees boiling, by pressing the up and down arrows on the left-hand side of the base. Next to this, you can access 6 preset temperatures by pressing the thermometer button. And this is handy to quickly change between large temperature gaps. And next to that is the hold function, indicated by the flame button. And this will hold your kettle's set temperature once it is reached for upwards of an hour. Now the Brewista kettle will also remember your set temperature between switching it on and off. Next to that you have the program button, and this is your auto on function. So you can set your kettle to turn on at a set time to reach a set temperature. So I'm talking about having your water boiled before you even wake up, which is a pretty hot function that isn't available on many other kettles. And the last button you use to switch between centigrade and Fahrenheit. And that is the Brewista 1.2 litre Smart Pour Gooseneck Variable Temperature Kettle for you. It's a very popular kettle for brewing coffee or tea, but it does have that capacity to be your go-to kettle for any time you need hot water. If you have any questions on this kettle or any other Brewista kettles, throw a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe to this channel so you can keep notified when we keep bringing out videos just like this one every week. Until then, happy brewing.